Today we are at 888 Japanese BBQ. It's located on Spring Mountain and Decatur. It's my first time here. I thought it'd be fun to do a review for you guys. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me.
Check it out.
888 Japanese BBQ just opened this month in February. It's located on Spring Mountain and Decatur. It's not far from the heart of Chinatown, where their sister restaurant, 888 Korean BBQ, is located. Let's take a peek inside. It's a very cozy restaurant with a bar, and they even have a private party room. I like how there are various sections so you don't feel like you're all sitting in just one room. I know not everyone has experienced eating at a Japanese barbecue spot, so let's go through how to order off the menu. It can look a little confusing if it's your first time because there's so many items to look through.
We got 3 menus right here. We got the Angus,
I see
we
that.
got the Prime, Kobe. The price rises this way.
Okay.
And then more options open up this way as well. So Prime will have everything that Angus has, and then Kobe will have everything that these two
Is
guys
this an
have.
all you can eat?
It is all you can eat.
Okay.
Yep.
So let's say I went for the Prime. I can order everything under, obviously,
Yep.
Prime.
In this little column right here.
Okay.
You can order everything, and then your whole party has to be settled on one option. Yes. And
Yeah.
you can take shots out of these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's
So
do it.
Yeah. Drink responsibly.
Okay guys, I'm gonna try the grapefruit soju. Here's the bottle. So it's actually supposed to be kind of like a sake, and you do it by shot. So let's see. Did you do your shot? Yes. I saw. Oh, that's really good. It tastes like grapefruit, but it's not that sweet. It's really good. It might be too good. We'll be drunk by the time we go out of here. That's good.
This is kimchi.
Our sauce plate.
I got some sesame oil and salt food.
There's so many appetizer options which they bring out first, like sushi, spring rolls, gyoza, cream cheese wonton, beef and salmon carpaccio, and tofu. There are at least 20 meat options. If you like what you're watching, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel.
Fatty rib right here. We got the Kobe beef belly, and then this one is the Kobe marinated patty. Boiling up the grill for you guys so the meat does not stick to the pan so much. We'll start off with like the non-marinades first.
Which one is this?
The Kobe beef belly.
So when you guys come here, you cook your own. Justin's cooking it for us so we can get the video. Actually, the cooking is the fun experience when people come here.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's actually a great place to bring friends.
If you've never done this before, it is a lot of fun, and it doesn't take very long to cook the meat.
Here is our cooked beef. Comes with 3 sauces. Let's try it. I actually picked my sauce. That's good. And let me show you what we got. So you can order appetizers and sushi rolls. We got the lobster roll, a tempura roll. And we got carpaccio. We have salmon carpaccio and we have beef carpaccio. That's Jean talking. There's the salmon carpaccio. So everything's all you can eat. So you can eat everything as much as you want. That is really good, you guys. I believe this is the tempura one. I see some shrimp coming out. Let's try that. I don't know if that's going to focus. Oh, that's really good. So here's the tofu. You can get it. It's cold. But it's good. And we got the shrimp tempura. So it comes out in small portions, so you don't order too much, but you can keep ordering as much as you want. Delicious. Here we go, let's try the tonkatsu ramen. That's good, and it's not too big. This is their dessert. You have a choice of ice cream or this macaroon, and I got the green tea macaroon. It looks like that's pretty big. And Jean got the coffee. Okay.
Ice cream macaroons up close. Here are my final thoughts. I thought they had a great assortment of appetizers and meats, the customer service was great, and the food quality was excellent. They didn't quite have their full cocktail menu ready, and the dessert options are a bit limited. They only had ice cream, macaroons, and ice cream. But overall, I think the experience was wonderful. I would give this a 4.5 stars out of 5. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again. If you're new to the channel, hope to see you again soon. Until the next video, stay safe.
Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.